Make sure. Right. Mr. Watts, can you hear me okay?
Yes, I can hear you.
Okay. All right, I'm gonna call your matter first, so I can get you out the way, okay?
Okay.
The 36th District Court, State of Michigan is now in session. The Honorable Judge Marlena Taylor is now presiding. At this time, there will be no eating, no sleeping, no talking, no gum chewing, no drinking, no driving or riding any vehicle, no laying down or lounging, no smoking. Please keep your devices on mute until you are addressed by one of the courthouse staff. Also, keep your devices on a level surface so that you may be seen on screen. Good morning, Your Honor.
Good morning. All right, Mr. Watts, you ready?
Good morning.
Miss Sandy? Okay, all right. These are the matters of People versus Brian Watts. This is ticket number P11900518. One count drove while license suspended, one count no insurance misdemeanor. Also calling case P11908888. One count missing or defective muffler. Also calling B ticket 121175. One count failed to prevent animal from engaging in nuisance or menacing dangerous behavior. Count two, or not count two, ticket number V122101. One count tethered a dog in open area. And B ticket 122102. One count failed to provide a leash and or responsible person for a dog. These matters are set today for a jury trial. Appearances for the record, starting with counsel, please.
Yes, Aaron Overtree on behalf of Mr. Brian Joseph Watts.
All right, and Mr. Watts, can you state your name for the record, please?
Brian Joseph Watts.
All right, and I have Corporal Leach on the.
Overtree, please. 69-16-7.
Corporal, can you state your name for the record, please?
Brian Watts.
No, not you, sir. The corporal.
Yeah, he's still muted.
Okay.
Okay, there he is.
Good morning, Officer Corporal Latch, badge 3603, Detroit Police Department.
This is the date and time set for a trial in this matter. How are we proceeding, Mr. Ogletree?
So in regards to the case involving Officer Clark, we're asking dismissal. Today's the day scheduled for a jury trial. Officer Clark has failed to appear. We ask for dismissal in regards to that. In regards to the case involving Officer Latch, there's been a resolution. It'll be a dismissal of the civil infraction, defective equipment, dismissal of driving, a suspended license, and then there'll be a reduction of the no insurance misdemeanor to improper plates.
Is that your understanding today, Mr. Watts?
Yes.
Okay. It is now 10:07 a.m. Ticket B21175, B122101, and B122102 will be dismissed without prejudice. There is no officer here for those particular matters. Mr. Watts, can you please raise your right hand?
Yes.
Do you swear or affirm to tell the truth, the whole truth, and nothing but the truth, sir?
I do.
All right, you can put your hand down. Mr. Watts, did you have an opportunity to talk to an attorney in private today about your case and about your rights?
Yes, one met me in the breakout room.
All right. Did anyone threaten you, force you,
No.
or promise you anything in exchange for a plea today?
No.
Are you pleading guilty of your own free will?
Yes.
Are you pleading guilty because you are guilty?
Yes.
And do you understand that by taking this guilty plea today, that you're going to give up any rights that you may have had to have a trial in the future?
Okay,
Do you understand that?
yes,
All right. You had the right, today was your day up for your jury trial. We can't have a jury trial, but you could reschedule it and have another one. But by taking this plea today, you're not gonna be able to have that or a bench trial. You understand that, Mr. Watt?
yes.
Okay. Understanding all of that, did you want to move forward with this plea?
Yeah, might as well get it out the way.
Okay. All right, I'm gonna take your attention back to the date of April the 22nd of 2021. Were you in the area of Grand River and West Warren Avenues in the city of Detroit?
Yes,
And were you driving a Ford vehicle in that area?
yes,
And did you get stopped by a police officer?
yes,
And did you not have any car insurance on that vehicle at that time?
yes. I had insurance, but it was from Ohio.
Do you have that insurance?
Yes.
Is it valid?
My wife still has it. She has it on her car. And it was on my truck as well in my name, but I don't have proof of it with me. She would have it in her car though, and she's outside.
Why would you come to court unprepared to be able to show any of these documents? Can I ask you that, Mr. Watt?
Because I thought I was coming over here for a dog bite, not a traffic uh, violation.
All right, I can't take the plea. You just
Yeah,
said that you had
yeah.
insurance, so,
Okay. Can we,
I mean, the officer, he just said he had insurance and he doesn't have proof of it to show us. We just said that he had insurance, so now I don't know what to do. I'm
yeah,
going to pass
can
this
we,
matter.
yeah, can we recall that?
Yep. I'll pass this matter. You gotta wait, Mr. Watt. See if your wife can bring you a copy of the insurance.
Okay, this is my insurance card. Can you see it?
Oh.
It was valid at the time of the stop.
Hold on a second.
Don't be afraid for a different reason. This is my Ohio insurance card and my Ohio driver's license. That's the insurance for the vehicle that she's talking about, but it was valid at the time of the stop. Because my wife's still insured, her car is still insured. I thought it was here on the dog bite matter. I didn't prepare for the car matter. I don't think I have a link to this. Yeah.
route out there. I don't have the involvement.
All right. We're gonna pass over this matter and come back to it. I'm called Travis Watson.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Okay. This is a matter of the people versus Travis Watson. This is you ticket 512-687-19. One count of disorderly conduct. We're here today for a review. Appearances for the record, starting with counsel, please.
Yes, Aaron Oldtree on behalf of Mr. Travis Watson.
Mr. Watson, can you state your name for the record, please?
Travis Watson.
This is the date and time set for a review. The court is in receipt of community service hours, 97 community service hours. I'm also in receipt of a completed class, prostitution awareness class. I do not have the testing results. Did you get the test, sir, Mr. Watson?
No, ma'am, I haven't got it done. They sent me through they little testing center. They had scheduled me for January 5th, 2022 at 2:30. But when I went, they didn't have me in the system. They rescheduled it. They rescheduled it for next February 17th.
You don't have any other place you can go get it done, Mr. Watson?
I can go up to receiving and take.
Wherever you can go. See, I can't let you off until you finish that last requirement. And when
Yes,
you do,
ma'am.
then I can close it out. So you can either wait for them, or I can just give you a little bit more time. You can try and go handle it. How much time do you need, sir?
You can give me a few days.
How about I give you 2 weeks to make sure? Is that gonna be enough time?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, do it in 2 weeks, and then I can close this matter out. Were you charged a fine, or were you just told to do community service and cost the fine?
No, I was charged a fine. I thought I paid it, but I didn't. I believe I had came to pay another ticket. And they told me I couldn't pay this fine until I seen the judge.
Well, you should be able to now to be able
Okay.
to pay the fine, okay?
Yes, ma'am.
And as soon as you do that, I can close it out. It seems like you've done almost everything. You just need to take that test. So if it's taking a long time at that location, see if you can take it somewhere else and pay the fine so I can close this out for you, okay?
Yes, ma'am. I email it to the same email address.
Yes, to that same email address, okay? I'm gonna give you the February 14th, okay?
Okay.
That should give you enough time. Sign in at 8:30 a.m. As long as you completed everything, I'll just close it out, okay?
Yes, ma'am.
All right, Mr. Watson, if there's nothing further, that concludes this hearing.
Okay.
All right, have a good day.
You too.
All right, thank you. Brandy Witcher?
Yes, ma'am.
All right. matter of the people versus Brandy Richard. This is U ticket 602-25221, one count of trespassing. Appearances for the record, starting with counsel, please.
Aaron Oldry, on behalf of Ms. Witcher.
And Ms. Witcher, can you state your name for the record, please?
Brandy Witcher.
Yeah, today scheduled for a show cause on in regards to this matter. She wishes to accept the offer in regards to a plea under advisement of 6 months.
Is that how you want to proceed, ma'am?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, if so, please raise your right hand. Do you swear or affirm to tell the truth, the whole truth, and nothing but the truth?
Yes.
All right, you can put your hand down. Did you have an opportunity to talk to an attorney in private today about your case and about your rights?
No.
You didn't talk to Mr. Ogletree?
Oh, I'm sorry. I didn't realize he was an attorney.
It's okay, I know, but he's an attorney, ma'am, okay?
Yes, I spoke with him.
Okay, did anyone threaten you, force you, or promise you anything in exchange for a plea today?
No.
Are you pleading guilty of your own free will?
Yes.
You pleading guilty because you are guilty?
Yes.
And do you understand that by taking this guilty plea today, that you're going to give up any rights that you may have had to have a trial in the future?
Yes.
Understanding all of this, did you still want to move forward, ma'am?
Yes.
All right, I want to take your attention back to the date of May the 6th of 2021. Were you at 555 East Lafayette, which is the Greektown Casino?
Yes.
And while you were at that location, were you asked to leave the premises?
Yes.
And did you refuse a few times?
I was trying to find my husband before I left the building.
Okay, but did they ask you to leave and you didn't
Yes.
leave immediately?
Yes.
All right. Satisfied, Attorney Ogletree?
Satisfying.
And the court is satisfied as well and will accept the plea to trespass on this particular matter. I understand that you were trying to find your husband at that time. It was probably frustrating for you, but when they ask you to leave, you got to comply with it. 'Cause as you
Well, I
can
learned-
see, they call the police and they come quickly, okay?
Yeah, they did.
Okay, they came real fast, didn't they?
Yeah.
So this is a 6-month delayed sentence. I am gonna charge you. Are you working? Are you currently employed?
Yes.
Your Honor, she's a student at Mont Community College in Flint,
Okay.
studying
All
nursing.
right. On cases like this, sometimes I like to do community service. If I made you do community service, would you be able to fit that into your schedule?
Yeah.
Okay, let me make sure you didn't fight with him. You just would refuse to leave, right?
Right.
Okay, all right. I'm going to give you 40 hours of community service, but you have 6 months to complete it. As long as you complete the community service, the 40 hours of community service in the 6-month period of time, when you're gonna come back for a review, then this case will be dismissed, okay?
Okay.
All right, for this type of matter, I like to do community service, a little cost and fine, because I think there's different lessons to be learned there than just charging you some money. So we're gonna have a review in 6 months. That's gonna be August the 1st of 2022. Ma'am, it is gonna be via Zoom. So you're gonna Zoom back in the same way you Zoomed in today. I'll make it at 8:30 a.m. I'm gonna give you a number that you need to use to verify your community service. Are you ready?
Yes.
313-965.
313-935.
965, I'm sorry.
313-965.
Yep.
Okay.
8130.
8130.
Yep. Call her, tell her you need to do 40 hours of community service by August 1st, 2022. Basically, you're just gonna have to verify it with her, so we make sure that you did this. Sign back in on August the 1st, And as long as you completed everything, this case will be dismissed.
Okay,
All right? If there's
Okay.
nothing further, that does conclude this hearing. Good luck to
Thank
you.
thank
You're
you.
welcome. All right.
I can hang up now?
Yes, you can.
Yes.
Okay.
Adrian Williams,
Yes,
gonna call your matter now, ma'am. These are the matters of the people versus Adrian Williams. This is ticket number P 1175449. One count, no insurance misdemeanor. One count, driver's license never acquired. Also calling ticket number P 1175412. Count one, failed to use seatbelt assembly system, 1985. Count three, no receipt of or unsigned registration. Also calling in warrant status, ticket number or case number 114666141. One count, failed to display a valid operator's license not on person. It appears it was amended from that. So you probably forgot to do something on that last ticket I called. Appearances for the record, starting with counsel, please.
Yes, Aaron Ocher, on behalf of Ms. Williams.
All right, Ms. Williams, can you state your name for the record, please?
Adrian Williams.
Yes, the prosecution's put forth an offer which she wishes to avail herself. They're saying if she pleads to driver's license never acquired and then responsible to no registration, that they'll dismiss the other matters in regards to their schedule.
You want to take advantage of that offer today?
Yes,
All right, raise your right hand for me. Do you swear or affirm to tell the truth, the whole truth, and nothing but the truth?
yes,
All right, you can put your hand down. Did you have an opportunity to talk to an attorney in private today about your case and about your rights?
yes,
Did anyone threaten you, force you, or promise you anything in exchange for a plea today?
no,
Are you pleading guilty of your own free will?
yes,
Are you pleading guilty because you are guilty?
yes,
And do you understand that by taking the guilty plea today, that you're going to give up any rights that you may have had to have a trial in the future?
yes,
Understanding all of that, did you still want to move forward today?
yes,
All right. I want to take your attention back to the date of March the 11th of 2021. Were you in the area of Mack and Bewick in the city of Detroit?
yes,
And were you driving a Chevy vehicle in that area?
yes,
And were you stopped by a police officer?
yes,
And did you not have your driver's license because you never acquired it? Or got
yes,
it? Okay. And also, did you not have your registration at that date and time either?
yes,
Satisfied, Attorney Ogletree?
Ratified.
And the court is satisfied as well and will accept the plea to the amended charge of fail to display a valid operator's license on ticket 5 ending in 5449, count 2, as well as the as charged for no receipt or unsigned registration on ticket ending in 5412, count 3. Count 1 of ticket 5412 will be dismissed, and count 1 of ticket ending in 5449 will be dismissed at this time. Ms. Williams, you know you owe some money on the ticket. You were supposed to come back and pay some money on the ticket and you didn't, so there was a warrant in the system for you.
no, I was trying to get on, a payment plan, but the payment plan that they was offering was a little too high.
Okay, how much money? Do you owe a lot of money, Ms. Williams?
They was telling me, $400 to $600 a month, but I can't do that. I have 4 kids and I pay. I'm a single mom.
Okay. 1 second. or last name? It might be Boston.
Boston.
Okay. Oh, I was gonna say some feet on there, sorry. Okay. That's it. I don't know what they were talking, is it for something else that you were trying to pay off? You don't have a ton of stuff going on.
They dismissed a lot of my cases, when they did the expungements, but the last time I was there was like in 2019.
All right. So you still have to pay that open ticket because that's what that one is, right?
Right, but
Okay. You have an open ticket that you need to pay. On one of these tickets, the no receipt of or unsigned registration, that's $105. That's a civil infraction I'm gonna charge you for today. It usually only has 14 days to pay. Is that gonna be enough time?
$105,
Yes.
14 days, 2 weeks, yes.
You sure?
Let me look at this, because I get paid weekly.
You said what, ma'am?
1 second, I'm looking at the calendar.
Okay.
By the 10th will be fine, 1, 2.
Just trying to make sure I get you.
Yes, I'll be able to pay.
Okay, you get late fees if you don't. So if you
Okay.
have issues, call the courtroom. I'm gonna make it due to 2/14/2022. I'm gonna waive the cost and fines on your other ticket, and I'm going to take away the late fee. You said I can take off?
Yeah.
The late fee on ticket 11496661441. I'm gonna get rid of that late fee, but you still have to pay that ticket, okay?
Okay, so how much is that?
That ticket's $135, okay?
Okay.
Now,
so-
you do not have to pay that in the 14 days, but you just need to pay that and take care of these costs and fines so that you can not have any more fees, okay?
Okay,
All right? If there's nothing further, that concludes this hearing, okay, ma'am?
thank you.
You're welcome. Have a good day.
You too.
All right, thank you. All right. Mr. Vincent White?
Hello.
Hello, I'm gonna call your matter now, okay?
All right, thank you.
This is the matter of the people versus Vincent White. This is ticket number P11588289. One count drive unregistered or untitled vehicle. Appearances for the record, starting with counsel.
Yeah, Aaron Ogletree on behalf of Mr. White.
Mr. White, can you state your name for the record?
Vincent White.
Your Honor, in regards to the case is scheduled for a show cause, according to what the city is indicated, it says dismiss. He has one charge and it says dismiss. It says pay related civil infraction.
Okay, all right. Mr. White, what that means is that you had a companion ticket that had 2 civil infractions on it. You paid both of those and those are closed. So we're gonna dismiss this matter without prejudice today because you already took care of those other 2 matters, okay?
Thank you.
All right, you're welcome. You're all set. If there's nothing further, that concludes this hearing. Thank you, Mr. White.
Thank you, ma'am.
You're welcome. Julius Yearman,
It's Yaman.
Amen, okay. Thank you. All right, these are the matters of the people versus Julius Yeaman. This is ticket number P11013999. One count failed to display a valid operator's license, not on person. one count, no insurance misdemeanor. Also calling ticket number SP 123858871. This matter is scheduled for March the 9th. These next two matters, it's one count of driving while license suspended. Also calling case number SP 1238587, count 2. One count speeding, 31 miles plus over posted speed limit. Appearances for the record starting with counsel.
Yes, Attorney Aaron Oshry on behalf of Mr. Yeaman.
And Mr. Yeaman, can you state your name for the record?
Damon.
All right.
Yeah, in regards to this short calls in regards to him, the city is not providing any offer, but they did recommend he complete a Michigan defensive driving course at michigandefensivedriving.com. So Mr. Yeaman is requesting a pretrial so he can present proof of completing that at the next court date.
Do you understand what they're trying to do for you, Mr. Yeaman?
Yes. Only thing I have to.
Okay.
I'm just asking myself. What they're saying is I just got to go complete the class, and then when I come back and that's proof of me, then I'll be good, right?
Yep. So what ends up happening is that they want you to attend the class and be able to tell what you learned from the class. And this is mostly for the speeding ticket. It carries a lot of points on your license. So they'll make you a different offer if you can come back and tell what you learned from the class. They're not going to necessarily dismiss it, but they'll give you a way better offer most of the time, as opposed to giving you this as charged and giving you a ton of points on your record. So if you attend the class, you get a better offer because now you can explain to them why driving in an appropriate manner is so important.
Okay.
Okay?
And you handled all my court dates for the 9th too, right?
Yes. So I handled those because that's the speeding ticket. And I saw the look on your face. Do you know how fast you were going?
Not that day.
That day? Okay, I'm gonna make you stop talking right now. The game ain't keep this class immediately. Okay, if you're talking about that day. Ooh, my brain. I'm going to give you a pretrial date in this matter.
Okay.
April the 26th, 2022 at 8:30 a.m. It is going to be a Zoom, so Zoom back in. I expect that you have completed that class by this time, and you're going to have to, like I said, tell me what you learned from that class. Mr. Yeaman, do you have any other tickets out here in the city of Detroit at this point in time?
Yes, actually do. But I got court for those on 14th of
14th of what?
April. Or 13th. 13th. I look at the paper again.
It's breaking up.
I know. I'm asking you because if when you come back, you got additional tickets that I don't know about, that's gonna be a problem. Yeah. You have a ticket number for the April matters, or no, they might be.
No, not on hand. I have to look for.
We don't see anything else scheduled, so I don't know what that is, okay?
All right.
Okay, so we did handle your March 9th matters, okay? So this is
All right.
all encompassing of that. So come back on April 26th, take that class at michigandefensivedriving.com and be able to talk about what you've learned so that they can make you a better offer,
Okay.
okay? I'm gonna set your bond at $0 personal. No more tickets, Mr. Yeaman, especially for speeding.
I understand.
All right, there's nothing further. I'll see you back on April the 26th, okay, sir?
Okay.
All right, have a good day. See you
You
then.
too.
All right, bye-bye. Mariah Yarbrough,
Yes,
am I saying it right, Miss Sandy?
yes. Well, yeah,
It's
What
okay.
just,
I said Miss Yarbrough. I said
I know, I had a conversation with him.
okay.
No, no connection.
All right. These are the matters of the people versus Mariah Yarbrough. This is ticket number P421479. Okay, yep. Count one, stop, street or intersection failed to stop. Count two, no receipt of or unsigned registration. Count three, no insurance. Also calling case number SP 4214801. One count drove while license not valid or improper license. Appearances for the record, starting with counsel.
Yes, Aaron Ogletree on behalf of Ms. Yarborough.
Can you state your name
Yes.
for the record, ma'am?
Mariah Yarbrough.
Yeah, today is the day scheduled for arraignment on bench warrant. We wait for Marie and stand mute.
At this time, the court is going to enter a plea of not guilty on your client's behalf. How are we
Uh,
proceeding?
She's respectfully requesting a bench trial.
Okay. On all of the matters?
Yes.
Okay. All right, Ms. Yarborough, can you raise your right hand for me, please?
Yes,
Do you swear or affirm to tell the truth, the whole truth, and nothing but the truth, ma'am?
yes,
All right, you can put your hand down. Did you have an opportunity to speak with an attorney in private today about your case and about your rights?
yes,
And he's telling me that you were, you would like to have a bench trial. That's a trial before myself as the trier and finder of facts. Is that how you want to proceed?
yes.
All right, I'm going to make this a bench trial on May the 17th, 2022. That's going to be at 9 a.m. It's via Zoom. So the same way that you zoomed in today, you're going to zoom in that date and time, just the way that you did today. I'm going to set your bond at $0 personal. And I'll see you back there then on that date and time. Okay, ma'am?
Okay, and so can you let me know if I got court tomorrow?
Are you supposed to have court tomorrow?
Yeah, my court was supposed to be tomorrow, but they sent a letter and saying that I have to be there today. But this was about tickets, and I was trying to get my retail fraud case. I was supposed to be.
So retail fraud is gonna. What do retail fraud?
We do the business docket now, Your Honor, so it might come up,
Oh, okay.
but I think it might be state. We haven't dealt with them yet, but I think that's why, Your Honor.
Okay, let me see, Ms. Yarborough, if you have any other matters up tomorrow. To our knowledge, you don't, but we're gonna check and see.
Okay, thank you.
Do you have a judge's name at the top of that?
No, the paper just had your information.
Okay. All right, you're in the right place, man.
But it's old.
Okay, okay. Your matter is in front of Judge Bryant for that review, okay?
Okay, so that's tomorrow.
It doesn't look like it's until March the 8th, but I will call that courtroom and see if you can just make sure. So that
Okay.
you don't get in trouble or anything for not showing up to that judge's courtroom, okay?
Okay, so you said March 8th?
March 8th, it says 2022 at 8:35 a.m. And that's an arraignment for a bench warrant. but just call, because it was supposed to be 125-22 and you didn't show up. So,
It's supposed to be 125.
oh, it looks like they removed it. Okay, never mind, never mind. You're good.
Cause I know it's supposed to be when, cause I went to jail in December. They tell me my court date was February 1st.
Okay.
That's why I was confused when I got the paper and it was saying today. So I'm trying to make sure I'm good.
Let me tell you this, Ms. Yarborough, when in doubt, sign on tomorrow, okay? You rather be early and they tell you you're supposed to be there another day than not to show up and then you be, penalized. And I don't want you to be penalized, okay?
Okay, thank you.
I'm gonna give you the number. You ready?
Hold on, I gotta get my pen. Yes, I'm ready.
I was gonna give you the number.
Thank y'all both. Okay, she's getting
What
her.
you want, the Zoom number?
I'll
Or the
just
phone
give her
number?
the phone number.
Okay, phone number is 313
Uh-huh.
965
Yeah.
2295.
Okay, thank you.
You're welcome, Mr. Yarborough.
Have a good day.
You too.
All right, there's nothing further. That concludes this hearing. Thank you.
And
Thank you.
Yes. Do I need to set a bond?
Oh, no, I was just gonna mention something. Is it okay to talk now?
Yes.
Okay, no, I just wanted to tell you, I have a niece named Mariah. Same last name.
Really?
Yeah, that's why I had to go in and talk to her. I'm like, wait a minute.
You gonna make sure it wasn't her?
Well, at least make sure she wasn't, related somehow, because she doesn't look like her at all. But yeah, that was coincidence.
What you doing with this last name, Mr. Watts?
Yeah.
Don't do it.
Mr. Ogletree, were you able to turn your video on?
Yeah, my video is on.
I know it wasn't before. It was off for a while. Were you trying to turn it on and it wouldn't come on?
Yeah, I mean it's situated now. There's
What
some
about-
interesting time here and there.
Okay.
Okay.
Judge, I sent you a chat.
If there's a break, can I speak to Mr. Watts?
You can go in there by yourself.
Yeah, there's no space for me to go to a chat room.
Oh, okay.
No breakout room option.
Oh, really?
He
No.
got off, I think his phone was dying. I'm trying to see where he may be located at this time. I don't know. If you need to talk to him, we might have to bring him in and then he talks to you. I'll step out.
He's not in the building though.
He stepped out of the building. He was trying to get his insurance, I think.
And I see a Sheldon Williams, but I don't see a Sheldon Williams on the document.
He's never connected to audio, so I don't know what he.
Okay.
I removed him. Hello, everyone. I'm gonna give this gentleman 10 more minutes. I don't know where he disappeared to. So just hold tight.
That's the only remaining case we have?
Yes, because that other young lady never signed back on. And then that other person, I signed them off because they never connected to audio. I don't know what happened to them. So just hold tight. I'm sorry, everyone.
Your Honor.
Yeah.
It's
Corporal,
Corporal Latch here. I don't see Brian Watts.
I don't either, and I said that I was gonna give him 3 more minutes. He was here. He said he was stepping away to get his insurance. I don't know what happened to him. He has not returned back to the building.
Your Honor, am I free to go? I've been here for 3 hours and I need to take several breaks now.
Yeah, I understand. Yeah, Corporal Leach, you can go. If we need to reschedule this for another day, I will, but as of today, you're all set, sir, okay?
Thank you, Your Honor. Have a good day.
You too. Have a good day.
Hold on, Mr. Can I speak to you briefly? Just in case he comes. Corporal Latch.
Yeah,
Yeah,
sure.
can I go in a breakout room just in case? So we
Sure.
don't have to possibly redo it.
You're in breakout room number 1. Just rejoin that. I'm gonna put you in there with him.
Okay.
Okay.
Bye.
Miss Sandy, you can take us off YouTube.
Yes, Judge, I'm ready.
Okay, I say you can take us off YouTube.
Oh,
Yeah.
I heard your voice and I came running to the
I
computer.
know, we've been sitting here for like an hour. Nothing.